Why is nobody talking about these two things left untouched after a tornado ripped through this family's home? This family heard the sirens that a tornado was about to hit their town, so they packed up all of their belongings and they took shelter down in their basement. When they heard that the tornado was over, they came back up. Their town was in shambles and their home almost completely destroyed. But this is where things get crazy. As they walked through their house, they noticed two things left untouched by the tornado. There was a picture of the Ten Commandments still hanging on their wall, and the Bible they read as a family was still on the kitchen table. If you believe that God protects you, follow and subscribe now.